Hello everyone, today we have a different project. Recently I ordered a ukulele set from eBay and arrived a couple of days before and I'm ready to start making it. I'm very excited about this project. So let's start. The first thing that I like to do is some sanding. I will start from 240 grit. Next step is to glue the neck. In the next step we need some clamps to glue the fingerboard. Before you glue it, make sure that you have a space for the bridge. Now wait until the glue dry. As I wait to dry, I will do 2 holes on the bridge so I can screw it on the guitar. For paint the ukulele, I will use a mixture of watercolors. Red and dark green, time for painting. I use a sponge I'm thinking also to paint this part because I like the color that I make. So it's okay. Before I start vernishing, I need to take off some extra glue. Now I add some masking tape to varnish it. I see that in this side the neck is a bit bigger than the fingerboard, so I do some sanding. Again with acrylic spray. And we'll just wait 10 minutes to dry and I paint it again. Now I think is the hardest part, to add the bridge. It needs to be 7 centimeters down from the hole. I just add some glue, but before let it dry, I need to try put it in the right position. I have another one. You see the difference? I try this. I also get some gadgets. So here it is, ready. I don't know how to play yet, but I will try to play something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun for me. I never do anything like that before in my life. It was really fun. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will be here every Sunday. Until then, take care.